This is true. The Prophet ﷺ really did not like bad smells. He would even avoid certain foods that would leave bad breath in his mouth. Why? Because he would say that I have to speak to the one that you don't speak with. And the Prophet ﷺ was very particular about cleaning his mouth with siwak and also making sure that his body and his clothes were clean. Aisha radiallahu anha reports that on Friday, people would come from different far-off places to perform Salatul Jumu'ah. And when they would come, of course, they would be sweating and dust would also be covering them. And sometimes they would smell really bad. So the Prophet ﷺ told them very clearly that why don't you wash up for this day of yours? Meaning when you come for Jumu'ah, make sure that your clothes and your body are clean. Now remember that when it comes to fragrance, fragrance is a part of adornment. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, instructing the women that وَلَا يُبْدِينَ زِينَتَهُنَّ, that they should not reveal their zina, their adornment. So adornment is not just in the form of nice hair and makeup and nice clothes, but it also comes in the form of fragrance. So it doesn't mean that a woman is not allowed to wear fragrance at all. What is prohibited is that a woman wears fragrance that spreads, that lingers on even as she has moved away. So wearing a fragrance that is light, that is very mild, that does not spread, this is something permissible. However, if the clothes or if the body are not clean and a woman sprays her clothes with lots of perfume, then this is really not a good idea. Because first of all, you're going to end up using a lot of that perfume. And secondly, that perfume is really not going to cover up that bad smell. In order to deal with that bad smell, first of all, make sure that your body is clean. Take regular showers. Shower every day, in fact. Secondly, make sure that your clothes are also clean. So change your clothes daily. And this means all the layers, including your hijab and your abaya and your cardigan or whatever it is that you're wearing, all of your layers. Make sure that you're wearing fresh clothes. And then, of course, make sure that you watch your diet also, because there are certain foods like garlic and onion heavy foods that also lead to a lot of body odor. So in order to deal with these things, take the necessary action, use fragrance that is mild, but before that fragrance, make sure that your clothes and body are actually clean. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran that inna ma'al usri yusra. Indeed, with difficulty there is ease. A lot of times women, they end up sweating a lot because of the layers of clothes that they're wearing. But there is also ease. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has not made extreme difficulty in our religion. Water is available, clothing is available, and we should make use of these blessings that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us. Because remember that a believer is such that from them, others are safe. So we should not harm others with our bad smell. So take the necessary actions, clean your body, clean your clothes, and inshallah, things will improve.